Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. KumbiaPHP is a simple and light PHP framework under the BSD license, that is, we can use it for our projects. Under the premise of shortening development times, KumbiaPHP is a framework with the characteristic of being zero config. In other words, after you unzip it, you can start working. It's that simple. In this video, I'll show you how to install KumbiaPHP on Ubuntu 20.04. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. Before installing KumbiaPHP, you need to have PHP installed on your computer. Then, you should install a database manager such as MySQL, MariaDB, or SQLite, so you can start in shape with the development of an application. The next step is to download KumbiaPHP from the project's website. At the time of writing this post, the latest stable version is 1.1.5, so check first which one it is. Now, decompress it using the unzip command. If you don't have it yet, just install it. Then, it is convenient to rename the generated folder to a name related to our project. Remember that you can replace example with the name of your project. Now KumbiaPHP allows serving the project in development mode without the need of having a web server installed. To do so, navigate to the project's app folder. And from there, it starts serving the project in development mode. Now, our project is available from any computer. And all you have to do is open your favorite web browser and check it out. So, go to the following link. And you will see the following. This indicates that KumbiaPHP is installed and ready to start development.